There's a procedure that a lot of people don't know about it, right? It's not discussed, it's not talked about. People feel insecure about talking about their feelings, their desires to make changes. So one of the main questions is, what made you decide to get this procedure?
Over the years, gone through different pretty significant weight fluctuations, IVF, childbirth. My vagina completely changed. It got to a point, obviously no one sees it but my husband and I, but it's got to a point where every day it was bothering me. I haven't worn a swimsuit for years. Leggings were out of the question, jeans, anything, even sexual intercourse. I really lost being comfortable. The extra skin hanging was really irritating me on a daily basis. I was excited to just get back to wearing clothes with freedom. Confidence was a big issue. I just wanted to restore it back to what it was before I'd gone through these major weight fluctuations that really changed the way it looked.
It's amazing. A lot of people do feel that way. It becomes something that bothers them on a daily basis, and people don't realize. They think it's it's vanity. It's much more than it's functional level surgery that actually makes you feel good and not even think about that part of your body.
I wish I had done it earlier, because it's all about functionality. Cosmetically, yes, there is going to be a restoration that you see, I'm experiencing now post-op, where it's oh my gosh, I'm going to pinch myself. It feels like a dream come true. For me, the driver, every day I was uncomfortable. I had to adjust, what I would wear, how I would sit. It just became very irritating. And even the way you walk, even just a little bit of skin can affect you. So I'm really happy I'm here now and on the other side, and can kind of enjoy the benefits, obviously cosmetically, but really number one for me was my lifestyle.
It's not in my head anymore. I don't have to think about it. I can live my normal life, and then it's just a beautiful thing. So tell us a little bit about the procedure itself.
My experience was 11 out of 10. I felt very prepared, so I knew what I needed. The pain level for me was very minimal. I was fully awake, felt like it was extremely manageable, and then the excitement. So knowing that this is now you're finally addressing, you're going to what you want to create and you're manifesting that brings you a lot of peace.
You are 4 weeks now, you're still healing, right? We're not even close to final result yet, but how do you feel about the result?
I'm obsessed with you. No, I feel, and I mean that in the highest regard, it's exciting. It's exciting to see it restored. Also, I'm very impressed with the scars, how small they, I don't even see that. It doesn't even look like it had anything done to it. I'm dreaming of putting on a bathing suit again after, I don't know, I think it's been 5 years.
What would you tell other women that are considering this procedure?
First of all, to love yourself a lot. This isn't something that you should be embarrassed about. You're not alone. This is something that many women go through. Don't be scared to address it, because it's really going to impact your quality of life. You're just restoring what's been shifted through whatever reason. Perhaps you were born that way, perhaps it's weight fluctuations, childbearing, whatever it is. It's okay. Your body's amazing. That restoration will help you, and you're going to get so much of your life back in it, so much of your time and stress and anxiety of what to wear, how to move your body, or is someone looking at it, or can people see? All of that's going to be done, and that's going to allow you just live fully.